Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now I'm seeing a crab trying to play tag with the fish. See, right there. Make sure that you don't drop the phone. Crab will eat it.
Where are you, Ashane?
San Destin.
We are just
the crab is
taking
going
a walk
away.
towards the marina.
Oh, look, there's some fish. Where did the crab go?
Okay.
Oh, you know what my nickname is? Daddy Longlegs Jr.
And why is that, Ashane?
Because I have long legs. That's why.
Okay.
We're at the tree house. It's a lookout place actually, where they see like all fishies. Hey guys, we're on the tree house. As you can see, it's a beautiful view. Look at those.
What is it? There's
There's
a
some
bird.
yachts.
There's a
yachts.
crane up there.
Some speed, whatever you call those. Yachts.
Jet skis.
Jet skis. Watches.
Jet
Yachts.
skis. We
I
are.
see another one over there. You want to go there?
Oh yeah, another. That's an actual tree house. This is more of a little lookout tower, right? Okay, Ashane, turn around. There you go. That's the way to do it. Yeah, you never come down ladders. The other way around. You always come the same way.
We're going to the other tree. We're at the other tree house. So
It's a big one.
we're going up. Whoa, there's a ladder. I want to go to slide down.
That's pretty cool. Ooh, where are we?
Go to slide.
Oh, you can go further up.
I want to slide.
Coming up.
It's a beautiful view. Look, there's a
Whoa,
little
it's
dog
way
park.
up there.
That's a dog park.
Huh?
Bark park.
Some beautiful flowers. So when you're getting down the ladder, see how steep it is? You hang on to places like that, and then on this side over here. All right. Okay, Ashane, do you do the same? Have some ice cream on your leg. Okay. All right. Okay, see. All right. You show how it's been done now. Turn around. Turn around. There you go. That's the way to do it. You're gonna have a lot of balance doing it this way than the other way around. You're doing great, Ashane. Okay, there you go. That's how you do it.
Take it like what you do is you put your first leg and then put the second leg. Like don't do this and this. You have to do it first once you come down. Got it, guys? So,
Very cool.
you want to explore?
Yeah.
I wonder if there's any more.